Ceramic studio right now. I actually haven't been in a couple of weeks. There was like a little break. Now it's back and I'm really excited. I feel like when you don't do it every single week, you kind of forget, and I feel like it's like a skill that you need to constantly be practicing. I want to try to make a few jewelry dishes. I think it'll be a really nice gift as a bridesmaid box proposal, and I will be proposing to my bridesmaids very soon. I think it's something that is nice and personal. We're gonna get started on that today. Doing a little staycation at the Holiday Inn Express Chelsea location because I'm actually partnering with IHG Hotel and I'm really excited to show you why. So I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna take a shower and just freshen up, and Samson and I are gonna go out for date night in the city. So IHG Hotel is actually partnering with Dove now, and there's some Dove products right over here. They're doing this whole sustainable approach. You know how usually when you go into a hotel room, they just have like the little mini size products? That's why like usually I bring my own products whenever I travel, just because, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit of a waste to just keep using those. Now IHG Hotel and Dove are partnering together and they have full size Dove products like this. They have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hand wash, body lotion, all of it in full size Dove bottle. I think it's so amazing that Dove and IHG Hotels are offering full-size products like this, which honestly it saves 70% of plastic for the planet. So thank you IHG Hotels and Dove for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's get ready and freshen up for dinner.
Taking in a relaxing shower and taking my time getting ready in a hotel room is quite literally the best feeling. I love that IHG Hotels now have full-size Dove products ready to use during my self-care time. It's so convenient, and Dove has always been one of my go-to brands. Seeing that IHG offers refillable toiletries really changes how I view travel.
Just got out of the shower. Feels so much better. When you guys get ready, do you do hair first or makeup? For me, I always do my makeup first. When you have your makeup and then you do your hair, it just is coming all together. I don't know if it's just me or I feel like getting ready in a hotel room just feels so much more fun than getting ready at home. And I love just taking it super slow and just taking my time to get ready. It's just such a fun part of girlhood. I'm sure you guys can relate. Okay, it's time for the hair. Makeup's done, hair is done. Let's change it to the outfits. I'm just gonna wear something super simple. I have on this like semi-sheer top. It's just so comfortable. And then some dark wash denim jeans, usual jewelry. And this is the finished look. Do a little close-up of the makeup. Okay, bye.
thought we were getting these potatoes.
Yeah, they're a little bit different.
We're at Anton's in the West Village. Come here before for drinks and hack. It's pretty good too. Yummy? We're doing a little hike right now with Kobe. This is called Croton Gorge.
Croton
Croton.
I just told you like 3 times.
Croton Gorge. Croton? I don't know. But anyway, it's very pretty up here. It's upstate. Is this considered upstate?
Yeah, it's a little bit upstate.
Only like an hour and change from the city. There's not a lot of people around, which is very nice. I feel like the leaves haven't really changed yet. We brought Kobe with us today because we're going to be traveling soon. We want to take him out and let him spend some quality time with him before we leave. He is not a very good walker. Actually, right now he is.
He knows the camera's on.
We have this like leash that we put across the body. It's like that.
He just pulls me in every direction.
He's walking you.
I ignore him. He keeps moving me. Here, buddy.
In a few days, I'm actually leaving for Asia. I'm so excited. Samson and I are going to Beijing to see my family, and I haven't been for a year now, actually. I was supposed to go back last Chinese New Year, but work got super busy, so I didn't end up going back. And we're gonna go back for about 2 weeks, but we're also going to make a stop in Tokyo. It's our first time in Japan, so we are so excited. Japan has been on our list for so long now. We're only going to be staying in Tokyo for 4 days, which isn't super long, but I'm excited to even be able to go and just explore. Of course, I will be vlogging all of it, but I'm going to start kind of packing already because I feel like it's going to be a 2-week trip, so it's going to be a long time, and I want to be prepared in what I'm bringing and just kind of start planning out the outfits already. So over here I have my rack of clothes. These are like the ones that I wear the most, so I kind of just keep them out. I got a couple new pieces. This is a vintage trench coat, and I think I will be bringing this with me because I feel like it's just such a nice layer to have. I can really just like throw it on over everything, and I love this green color. It's so cute. I got it from Abalone. I think the Instagram is literally Abalone, and she has a lot of really cool vintage pieces. For fall, I usually just love styling really good staple pieces in my closet, and that's usually what I bring for trips, especially in the fall, winter, just because you don't have that much room to pack. I'm also gonna bring my suede trench. This has just been such a staple for me. I just love the suede, and it's like such a good length. I'm going to bring just a lot of basics like long tees and stuff because I feel like this I can layer with and I can wear it on its own when it's a little warmer.
I'm gonna bring this little navy sweater dress. I feel like this is good for both cities as well, with some little ballet flats. I think it could be just very chic. I'm also going to bring my white button down. I feel like I can make so many different outfits with this, and it's just like such a nice light piece that I can layer with, that I can wear on its own. Got these trousers recently. They're a pair of like low-rise brown trousers. Okay, I also got this really cute pleated white top. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like pleated. It's such a beautiful material, and I was thinking about pairing it with these light trousers. They're kind of like a grayish beige color. This could be just a very nice simple outfit. Jeans, I love these because they are a wider leg. And then I'm also going to bring my boots so I can wear it with these. I feel like that's just so cute. My black belt. I love the buckle on this one. It's so chic. And I'm also going to bring my dark wash jeans, which are in the wash right now. I'm gonna bring these trousers. They are a little bit like pinstripe trousers. I got them at the vintage twin. I randomly popped in one day, and these are just such a good fit because I couldn't believe it when I tried it on how well they fit. They were only like, I think $18, and that's just insane for how great of a fit it is. I'm gonna bring some basic long sleeve tops as well as like probably like a white tee. I've been loving these. They're just so incredibly comfortable to wear, and they are a little bit on the sheer side. So with the black ones, I like to wear like a black bralette under, and then this one I'm wearing a nude, and you can't really tell. Bring all of that. I think I might bring just one sweater for Beijing, just because it does get a little bit chillier during the mornings. And I remember last year when I went during this time, I had to have a sweater. So I think I'm just gonna bring this one. It's just like a nice black cashmere sweater, super soft, and I love like the more oversized kind of fit on this. Actually, maybe one more sweater because I love sweaters. It's so cute. I love the wide sleeves on it. And then honestly, that just might be it in terms of the clothes that I'm packing. I'm trying not to pack too much for clothes, especially since I feel like I might check out like some of the boutiques there and do a little shopping in Tokyo, because I just feel like there's so many good finds there. I'm really excited for this trip. I think it's gonna be so fun exploring, and of course, like I said, I will vlog everything for you guys so you can see, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next vlog, in the Tokyo vlog. Bye.